Hey guys, Zamamori here. Today's video we're going to introduce the count function. And the count function basically you can use it to count the number of items or numbers in a list you have, or you can also use the count function to count the number of blinks you have. So let's go ahead and do equals count, and then we're gonna count this row over here. Actually, you know what? Let's count this row. Alright, so we have 14 items in this list, and you can pause the video and count it, and it's accurate. So right here we have how many items until using item name. So in this one, if we used just count on this item list, we're not going to get anything because the count function, the equals count that I just used, that's just for numbers. If you wanted to count things that have, text in it also, you would use count A. And then there you go, 14. And then this one right here is for how many items are missing. So this is useful if you want to know how many blanks you have in a column. So for that, you just do count equals count blank. Go ahead and click on that, and then do this, and then boom, it tells you two things are missing, two blanks. And that's the count function.